Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here and I know that you have been eagerly waiting my new video. In this video, we will dive into the mesmerizing world of calligraphy. Before we proceed, I have a special request for you. I implore you to watch this video until the very end, for within the frames of this video lies an abundance of wonders waiting to be discovered. I am thrilled to present to you a stunning piece of Arabic calligraphy that carries a profound message of hope and reassurance. This captivating artwork features the beautifully written words which translates to "Do not be sad, for Allah is with us." Crafted with precision and care, the golden acrylic paints elegantly adorn a canvas backdrop of striking blue and red tones. The strategic use of contrasting shades of blue and red in the background further accentuates the prominence of the golden script. As we delve into the significance of this art form, I will share the profound meaning behind the chosen phrase, which serves as a reminder that we need not despair, for in every challenge and hardship, Allah is always by our side, offering solace and strength. And here's a question for you. What does this verse, "Do not grieve, for Allah is with us," mean to you personally? Does it provide comfort and inspire resilience? Share your reflections in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic endeavors. Thank you for watching.